Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today is a perfect day to have an excuse to eat chocolate. Doesn't that sound good, guys? Yes, who doesn't love chocolate? From white chocolate to milk chocolate to dark chocolate, we love chocolate. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious s'mores stuffed waffles, guys. Yes, they are going to be absolutely yummy. Oh my God, our waffles are going to be nice and soft, but yet have a little crunch, a little crisp in there. And we are going to have our melted chocolate that's going to melt in our mouths, not to mention the gooiness from our marshmallows, guys. Yes, so without further ado, let's jump right on in to introducing our ingredients and let's get started. Alrighty, of course, we're going to make this recipe simple and as easy as possible because today is a day that we need to get out of the kitchen and go watch our favorite movie and cuddle up with a hot cup of chocolate. Yes, guys, it's all about chocolate today. And besides, guess what? We're in April, but for some odd reason, it's cold outside. So anyway, guys, without further ado, let's introduce our ingredients. We have Belgian waffle mix. Yes, you know I love my Belgian waffles. There's just something about them absolutely tasty. As well as, per the box, I have my water, oil, and eggs, as well as our marshmallows, chocolate mix right here, guys. Yes, a chocolate drizzle, as well as some Hershey chocolate, graham crackers, and chocolate chips. And I don't think I forgot to mention oil. And we are going to combine these ingredients and keep it moving. Alrighty, to this bowl, I am going to add my eggs, as well as my oil and my water. And using my fork, I'm going to get some mixing. How is everyone doing today? Today is a beautiful day, nevertheless, because guess what, guys? We are alive. Never mind if it's cloudy, if it's raining in your part of town, or if it's sunny outside, it's still considered a good day because we are breathing, yes. So I am going to combine and continue mixing. And I'm using a fork. We don't need a handheld mixer for this, to be honest with you. We're just mixing waffle batter. Waffle batter, pancake batter. Really? Waffle batter, pancake batter, we definitely don't need a handheld mixer. That's just dirtying up extra tools. Give it a good mix. Get everything on the sides of the bowl because we want to get everything into that waffle maker. We don't want nothing stuck on the side of the bowl, guys. And the cool thing about this recipe is it's a great recipe for chocolate lovers. It's a perfect recipe for people who go camping and they have s'mores and stuff by the campfire. Yes. And also, it's a good recipe for the kids. Yay! It's a great recipe for the kids. I mean, to be honest with you, I guess I say I'm not a kid. Then again, I'm a big kid at heart anyway. But yeah, I love it. I literally love it. So, doesn't matter. It's good for any age. It's universal. It's a universal recipe. Alrighty, that should be enough. Not gonna bang too much because I don't want to break my bowl. Alright, that's it. And to this mixture, I'm gonna add some graham crackers. I'm gonna break them up into like bite-sized pieces. And the graham crackers, what it's gonna do is it's gonna give our waffle batter some texture. Most definitely. And these are using all basic ingredients. Some of you might literally have graham crackers somewhere, like literally stowed away in a cabinet because kids love graham crackers. I'm gonna break up about maybe 4 squares of graham crackers. Really? Really? We don't need chunky pieces. Alrighty. I'm gonna wipe my hands because I had to stick it in a bowl to grab the cracker. Alright. Give it a mix once more. The graham cracker smells so good because it's made with honey and all that stuff. So it's definitely gonna give our batter not only texture but flavor as well. Alright. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna move on to opening and preheating our waffle maker. hit it off with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray because we don't want our waffle batter to get stuck on the grill pretty much. And using my measuring cup, I am going to add some batter just like that to the waffle maker. Add just a little bit more. Graham cracker Belgian waffles. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. You know what? I think I could add just a little bit more. Good. I want a big old waffle. And we are gonna turn it on over and allow it to do its thing. We're not gonna disturb it. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back. It's time for us to check on our Belgian waffles and let's see what's going on. Hey, perfect. As you guys can see, this is perfect, perfect color, everything. What I'm gonna do is, yes, at this point in time, I am gonna add some chocolate chips and just allow it to go in the crevices. Just allow it to go in the crevices. And this is a waffle maker that has 4 squares. If you have the circle waffle maker, doesn't matter, make it happen. Doesn't matter. And I'm just gonna add as many chocolate chips as I can because we want this to be nice and what, guys? Saucy. We want that chocolate to melt and literally be nice and saucy. Alrighty. Hey, chocolate on my finger. Alrighty. Add a little bit more. And to that, we are also gonna add our marshmallows. Our marshmallows. Gonna add it just like that. As I said, perfect excuse to have sweet for breakfast. And what I'm gonna do is the other waffle rather, I'm gonna take it and put it right here. And don't get burned, guys. Practice safe precautions. And I am gonna close it on down. I wonder how long it's gonna take to melt. Now I'm just playing. It should take literally a couple seconds for everything to get nice and melted. That's gonna be so delicious and yummy. All right, so I'm gonna lose a marshmallow and I'm gonna slide this over to the side. Take this chocolate right here and I am gonna rough chop it. Our Hershey's chocolate. And the Hershey's chocolate, believe it or not, is room temperature. However, make sure you be careful because you don't want to cut yourself or injure anyone. Okay. And I am just going to put that to the side. So we got the chocolate chips and we got the Hershey milk chocolate. We are in business. All right, let's check on our waffles. Whoa, this is something else. Oh my goodness. All right. I am going to make the attempt to get this waffle out of here. Whoa, this is crazy. Look at how beautiful. Look. Gonna put this right here. This is crazy. It looks messy, but trust me, it's gonna be really, really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of Hershey chocolate to the top. And I'm gonna take some syrup and we are just gonna drizzle it on. And that's it, guys. Hey! Our s'mores stuffed waffles are finished, guys, and they look absolutely delicious. Don't get me wrong, this is gonna be a messy eat. It's not like you're gonna be able to pick it up and eat it with your hands like you do graham crackers, or should I say s'mores. But however, once you have your fork, you should be good to go. But this is gonna be not only It may look a little, but food is supposed to be fun. Also, it's going to be absolutely tasty. That I can guarantee you. It's going to be tasty, it's going to be heartwarming, and it's going to be definitely comforting. Of course, I had to bring you in for a close-up. Yes, absolutely beautiful. Look at all of the melted chocolate, the gooey marshmallows, yes. And not to mention, our waffle is stuffed with graham crackers. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait to taste it. It's taste test time, and I can't wait to taste my delicious s'mores Belgian waffle. I cannot wait any longer. So we are gonna cut into this waffle and see what we're working with. Look at the melted chocolate and marshmallows. Oh, this is cool. This is good. And guess what? I got the little crunch from the graham cracker that we put in the batter. Oh, this is so cool. A little bit more chocolate. Not only is the kids gonna love it, but even us as adults, we could sit back and enjoy this as well because it's that delicious. Melt in your mouth good. Also, I forgot to mention, yes, if you don't have a Belgian waffle maker and you have a regular waffle maker, knock yourself right out. You could definitely use a regular waffle maker for this recipe as well. Also, if you have the circular waffle maker, guess what? And it doesn't come like divided. Either you can cut it or just make 2 circle waffles, stack it on top, stuff it, stack it, you're done. Yes, this recipe is universal in all aspects. Anyway, once again, as always, catch me at cookingwithtammy.recipes for full recipe details. I will leave all links down below. And until next time, guys, I catch you in another video. Bye.